we want to determine the equation of the line, and we want the linear equation to be in slope-intercept form, which is the form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept. And just to review, the slope is often defined as the ratio of the rise to the run, which is the ratio of the vertical change to horizontal change, often denoted as the ratio of the change in y to the change in x. And b is the y-intercept. And we can determine both of these by analyzing the graph. To determine the slope, if we select 2 points on this line with integer coordinates, we should be able to determine the slope. So for example, if we select this point here that has coordinates 3, 3, and this point here that has coordinates 6, 5, we should be able to determine the ratio of the change of y to the change in x. So for example, if we move from this point to this point, notice how we'd have to go up 2 units and right 3 units. So if we move up 2 units, that means the change in y, or the rise, would be positive 2. And if we move right 3 units, that means the run, or the change in x, would be 3. Therefore, the slope of this line is equal to 2/3. And then notice how this line intersects the y-axis at positive 1. Therefore, the y-intercept is equal to 1, which means b is equal to 1. And this is all we need to determine the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Our linear equation is y equals 2/3 x plus 1. Now I should mention that since we did list the coordinates of these 2 points, we could have used the formula m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1 to find the slope of this line, but I think just analyzing the graph is a lot faster. And if you want, you can use this to verify the slope would be 2/3. I hope this was helpful.